Okay, we have a short position right here on oil. It's $10 a tick. Let's take our trade, 6 contracts. Okay, $10 a tick. We'll go for, I believe, 10 to 12 ticks on this. Let me show you the setup real quick though here. Let's draw a line here on our 2-minute chart, and we're looking at these 2 points right here. And we're looking at these 2 points right here. On our bow, and you can see how they're out of balance. One slopes up, one slopes down, and we're looking at this point, our intermediate line right here. Everything's taking place on our intermediate line. Now let's go over to our 1-minute chart real quick and do the same thing, because we need to have confirmation on the 1-minute chart. We have our 2 points right here on price, and we have our 2 points right here on our bow. And you can see how one slopes up, one slopes down, and we're on the intermediate line only right here. We don't travel to other lines. So this is a very, very high probability trade. On top of that, we have some other things going in our favor here. We're coming off of this Archer zone right here. Very, very powerful Archer zone. And let's see here. We got an eclipse, and we are only operating off one intermediate line right here, not the 0 line or other intermediate lines. And we're doing the same thing over here on the 1-minute chart. So that is a very strong indication that this market has a lot of downward pressure, and that's why we took the short. So we'll go for a 10-tick profit target here, $600. That'll be 10. Well, the trade's progressing along very nicely here. You can tell there's a lot of downward pressure here. We might take a little jump up here, but we should continue the move down, because there's really no support right here. So whatever little hiccup that we have in the up direction should be short. If we had some sort of a support level here, we have a very mild support level, let's just put it that way. It's nothing that I think is going to cause us any issues or stalls. So you can see we're coming within a couple of ticks of our profit target. Again, we're going for a 10-tick profit target. That's it's $10 a tick, times the 10 ticks is $100 per contract, times the 6 contracts is $600. And the reason we're only going for 10 ticks right now, the volatility of this market is the swings, the overall swings. It looks like it's a real volatile market just looking at this micro vision here, these 2 charts. But actually, if you take a larger view, the volatility is a little bit lacking. So a 10-tick profit target is, I think, is a nice safe bet for this right here. Oh, here we go. No fills yet, though. The second time's always a charm, though. Maybe the third time. Here, the third time. Maybe the fourth time. Fifth time. Ah, there it is, 600. Okay, well, we hit our 600 here. And again, it was a very good setup. Everything was going in our favor here. We had double confirmation on the 2 and 1 minute on the out of balance of the price and bow. We were bouncing off of a fairly major Archer zone at the top, and we were operating also on just one single intermediate line and not 2 or 3. So good trade.